This is where we're at with wine rack 2. Got single leg made. Really happy how this come out. Already gutted the bottom board, the foot. I've gutted the foot. Fits snug as a bug. Got to hit those holes with the compressed air. Prep it for the epoxy. I'm sweating bullets in here. Probably a bit hot for pouring this, but they're only cracks, so we're running it. Can't take me anywhere. This is starting to flash cure. Starting to smoke. It's getting hot. So I've just tried to chisel on the epoxy. Why did I not do this sooner? I've been sanding this. It takes forever. Yes.
Game changer.
Amateur tip here. Chisel in from both ends first, or you will get blowout. And then here's just making some relief cuts so I can bash it out with a hammer instead of having to chisel it all out. I just had one of them ideas which creates so much more work for myself that I don't want to do it. But I'm gonna! And it's gonna look fucking epic. Do I need a dado stack? I think I do. There'll be none of this going on once I get a dado stack. I do like chiseling though. Now I don't know what I want. Now let's get one anyway. We'll hit this with a marking knife, give us a nice edge to chisel off. Remove the excess with the router, probably my least favourite part. Shed King Skink decides to make an appearance. He keeps it brief. He's getting quite game, he runs through the missus' legs in a minute.
So why didn't they? That's weird. If I see a blacklist and I'm going to...
Hey, come Helen.
Hey?
He's never done it before.
Was that it?
Yeah.
Was it really?
Yeah. Oh, I failed it. It's gone. This is the main reason for using the marking knife. Gives a sharp edge to chisel off. After using the router to remove the excess. Don't cross the line. We've done it before. I really got to sort out this autofocus. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this one was a little tighter. Had to add a bit of persuasion to this one. I really should make a mallet. Got some nice fiddleback red gum there. I might make a mallet with that. Might be one of my next projects. Make sure to add a coil, keep the centre down. We got clamp, clamp, clamp. We all need more clamps. I actually really like the little plastic scraper on these glue brushes. They're quite handy. Well, that's all my clamps. Apart from me pipies. I really need to come up with better storage for these. But I can't put anything on the wall because that's where the water comes in. I reckon we clean some of the glue out of these corners and get these last inlays in. We're getting there! I'm really excited about this design, and I think there's going to be execution that lets me down. Here's that little red tool I was speaking about. little glue stick. Make that man glitter. Bit of power planing. Bit of hand planing. Make some wood scrolls. Here we can see some poor shed etiquette. Rocking the thongs in the shop. Always waiting for me washing to be done. I do get changed shortly. You can see how hard I have to work that plane. I've got a diamond block there. I'm looking forward to giving that a sharpen when I get back home. Have a look at the state of that blade, would you? How embarrassing. How's the connection on it? It works though. I get some DeWalt fittings today. Get another hose. Get it connected up a bit better. Flush trim off the excess. One side. Flip it around. No, both sides flush trim. And then I run it through the saw. I just like making more work for myself. Just got to double check how square me square is. Yep, square, all good. I can't stress enough with these right angle blocks, they need to be clamped down tight because they have moved on me before. So we're going to run with gluing the leg and the top to the base, and then I've got something to build up from. I think that'll be the easier option. We will find out tomorrow. I don't know, but we're running with that anyway. I was just going to dowel this in, but I thought the hardware would look good with the rack and the rest of the hardware. I swear I've seen these coils taped and super glued before, and I didn't think it would work, and it didn't work. But I'm pretty sure I've seen it done like that. It just moved. Just kept moving. So I screwed it. Whatever works. I pre-drilled and pre-countersunk the marri, and then pre-drilled the Jarrah to reduce the chance of it splitting. Clean up aisle one. Alright, I just sat here for like an hour looking at it, defeated. Oh mate. We're going to give it another crack though, alright, let's go. Let's trim it up a bit. Give it a bit of a plane, clean it up. Use me high quality craft right bits as me center punch. If you're adding a drill block, if you're adding a depth gauge, make sure you include the depth of the drill block, because I didn't on this one and had to redo it. I tried tapering these threaded inserts to avoid blowout, because my last wine rack had a fair bit. But as you see here, the Jarrah still blew out, but it's a bit harder than the marri. The marri didn't blow out, so I don't know. If you got any tips, let me know in the comments. Maybe I just need to be a bit more brutal with the tapering. The old money bags here, lashed out on some Rubio, so I'm going to put a splash on. Gonna do this, do the bottom first, stand it up, then do the rest. Let's get cracking. Welcome to Struggle Town here. Bloody childproof. Well, first impressions isn't great. It won't open. Ended up having to grab that top busted lip with the vice grips and putting my screwdriver under it. Ooh, that's some nice finish. Look at it. It's beautiful. Definitely a fan of Rubio. It was the first time using it. It's so easy to put on. You scrubby pat it on, wipe it off. It comes up amazing. You squeeze in the rack, bang in the hardware. That's her done. Drag it inside. Fill her up with wine. Oh, look at it, would ya? That is beautiful. So happy with how this come out. If anyone knows what that red stain is on the, or scar or whatever it is on the marri, let us know in the comments, please. And stay tuned for wine rack 3. Yeah, right. Nah, 2's enough, I think. 2's enough for now. If you made it this far, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.